Pairing the SmallRig S70 with my Insta360 X5 was effortless from the very first connection. The USB-C receiver locked in instantly, and throughout testing the wireless link remained impressively stable, even while moving, changing orientation, or increasing distance. There was no setup friction, no signal hunting, just reliable audio capture that let me focus entirely on the shot. This pairing truly shines in scenarios where freedom of movement and visual cleanliness are essential. Walk and talk 360-degree sequences feel natural and uninterrupted. Travel vlogging benefits from consistent voice clarity on the move, and action-based narration remains solid even when the camera and subject aren't stationary. The extended wireless range of up to 300 meters proved more than sufficient for real-world shooting. In open environments, audio stayed clean, stable, and free from dropouts, even as distance increased.